Alright, you guys, we're back here with another motherfucking video, and today today I'm bringing you guys to a meet that is at a fucking parking garage. It's gonna be like a Fast and Furious type vibe, and we're bringing the M4. I'm just gonna hop right into it. Hope you guys enjoy the video, and yeah, man, the M4 is looking pretty fucking clean. I cleaned the outside. You guys will see once we get there. Actually, I'll show you guys real quick. I still gotta fucking go back inside and grab something. But she's looking pretty fire, bro. I'm not gonna lie. So I'm excited. We're gonna hop right into it, and I'm gonna fuck with you guys when we get to the meet. We got the M4 out here looking stupid. But nah, bro. Right next to the M4, the cat. Shit. What's the website right now, bro? Shit is going retarded, dude. Told you this shit's getting a little active, huh? A little bit. That's how that bitch died too. They be doing that. Those are the M3 guys that were doing it in the video I showed you. E85 performance. That shit hard as fuck. He's eating that corn. He's drinking that corn juice.
Shut your lame ass up, nigga.
I'm waiting to find another G80 or G82 or something. Fuck. Let's see. We do have a few BMWs over here. We got Cat. Purple Cat. Purple Cat. Shit, look at this thing. That. Bro, they took the headlight out. That's that. They're trying to breathe with. Huh? Hey, keep the wide body on the M4 though. Wide body on the M4 goes stupid. Imagine a wide body on the G82? That'd be stupid. Bird in this bitch flying around. I don't know. Where shit be going down? I know every time. You feel me? The boys out here. Ski. Out here in the 300 deep fucking car meet in the park. This shit is every deep spot. Ski down skis, buddy. Sheesh me chimbers. But we're here again. Alright, let's see where they're going. Are they going up? They just got here. And we just heard the feds. Get louder, eh? We get louder, we rev harder. I think the feds are here. Like Future said, the feds are sweet.
Free my niggas. Feds are the sweet.
Oh, schneiggies.
We leaving?
That's the sound of the police. Whoop, whoop. Everybody getting out. How the hell did they get to the top?
I don't know. I'm waiting for other people to dip.
Yeah, and see which way they go. Type shit. We need this M4 right here to dip right next to us. We gotta figure out where the hell we go.
Damn, you hear that fucking Mustang, dude?
And
look at the cat.
Kitty cat. We following the cat skis? Oh, watch the sides, man. Everybody. Wait, that bitch. I see you. Nigga, this shit's wild. Look at that motherfucker. This shit is wild. You can stay right here, honestly. Get to the right side, get to the right side. Stay right here. We're good. I'm gonna get all these bitches. Are they going? What the fuck? Hop in. Let's run. Hopping in right behind that nigga. Come on, cuz. Someone let me in. Someone let us in.
A gray one.
Shit, nigga. Fuck.
Fun that shit, man. Does everyone have a bike?
Shit. The Audi looks tough. The Audi looks tough.
Oh, you really had to come in front of me like that, game. That Audi was tough. You hear that shit?
That Audi looks tough as fuck.
Maybe. Yeah, right? Yeah, I think so. I brought a purple 2 Series last time though. I don't know if you've seen that shit there. Yeah.
The GTR that was in the middle?
Yeah.
Was a GTR in the middle?
Yeah, facts.
It's hard.
Alright, so if you guys couldn't tell, it got busted really fucking fast. But we parked up here at some random ass lot down the road. We're definitely gonna be trying to come back through to some of these, but I think I'm about to go home and then I'm pretty tired right now, I won't even lie. But anyway, Love y'all, man. Drag pack. Yeah, we're gonna be back out here to race some cars. I'm not gonna lie, 100%. Look at this ugly motherfucker. Ugly bitch. Hell no, boy. Nah, bro. But whip's looking pretty good. No cap. All right, y'all. It's the next day after the meet. I unlocked the car so you guys could see the lights on the inside. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the meet last night. That shit was pretty lit. I'm not gonna lie, it was a lot of cars, a lot of BMWs, a lot of M4s, a lot of people, a lot of knuckleheads. Like the knuckleheads that, you know, like we do knucklehead shit. You know what I mean? So that was a lot of fun. Definitely gonna have to pop back out to another Elusive. And it was Elusive 732-1320 and a few other vendors. But shout out to them. I hope you guys also enjoyed me beating the Mustang. That was pretty lit. I feel like rolling race, and I smoked the Mustang in my opinion. So he braked, and as I was still pulling away, man. So and we were still far away from a turn. So I mean, hey, I'm gonna take that as a nice little dub ski on the 4 ski. Carbon fiber's looking crazy, stupid. But hope you guys are enjoying the warmer weather that we're getting right now in Jersey. We're on the East Coast, depending on where you live, because I don't know where you live. But right now we got a little bit of heat, but it's supposed to cool back down. So just expect some car content coming within the next week. I'm trying to get it out to you guys as much as possible, but it's hard because of obviously the colder weather. There's not many meets going on where I can go just bring the cars to. It's too fucking cold, and it's like 25 degrees out. I'm sorry. I'm not trying to sit outside in that cold of weather, man. It's nothing against it, but I don't have to, so why should I? But anyway, I'm gonna fuck with you guys later. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Take it easy, y'all. Let me know what you guys thought of it down in the comments. Hit the like, hit the sub button. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.